In this video, I'll show you how to convert columns to rows and vice versa in Excel. You may have come across times where you have hundreds of rows of data, which are showing vertically instead of horizontally, and you're not too sure how to quickly convert them. In this video, we'll first cover how to automatically convert columns to rows using the transpose function. We'll then cover how to do the same for rows to columns. And finally, we'll cover how to incorporate the unique function to only transpose the unique columns or rows. In example 1, we have some of the 2021 F1 driver names showing vertically and want to display them horizontally instead. To do this, we can use the transpose function in the first cell that we want to be populated. This function converts a vertical range of cells to a horizontal range and vice versa. So we type equals transpose and then simply select the range. As you can see, Excel has automatically converted the names to show horizontally. While this may not seem like a big achievement because we only have 9 names, this function makes a massive difference when you have hundreds of cells that you want to convert. You'll notice that if you click on any of the cells that have been converted, they will have a blue outline to show that they've been converted. If you want to remove this, then select the cells, copy the data, right-click, click Paste Special, and then paste just the values. Now, when you click on the cells, the blue outline is no longer there. Now let's consider how to convert the data from horizontal to vertical. This follows the exact same process. We click equals transpose in the cell that we want to populate, we select the range, and then click enter. Once again, if we want to remove the outline, we can copy and paste just the values like we did earlier. Let's now move on to the final example. You may have noticed that not all of the names in our list are unique, as Max and Lewis appear twice in our list. To convert only the unique values, we can combine the transpose function with the unique function. So let's once again take the names displaying horizontally and let's convert them to show vertically and to only show the unique values. We type equals transpose, followed by unique. We then select the horizontal range and click true, as we want to return the unique columns within the horizontal range. When we click enter, only 7 driver names are showing, removing the second occurrence of Lewis and Max. We can follow a similar process to take the names displaying vertically and then convert them to show only the unique values horizontally. We type equals transpose, followed by unique. We then select the vertical range. However, this time we click false, as we want to return the unique rows within the vertical range. This once again converts only the unique values. To recap, we first covered how to use transpose to convert cells from showing vertically to horizontally, and vice versa, and then covered how to incorporate the unique function to convert only the unique values showing once. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.